If you're after a 5-axis machine with precision and speed in mind, then look no further than the DVF 5000. Tommy's going to explain everything we need to know about this machine, but it's also automation ready with an AWC attached.
We create the machine DVF 5000 second generation. We combine speed and precision in that machine, and it came automation ready.
Okay, so with that in mind, what are the features that really stand out? Let's come and have a look at the machine. So what features, because you just said second generation, didn't you?
So exactly, so we had a first generation before, and the idea behind was to rise up the speed level by better precision. So, and that was possible in form of a new construction itself.
Okay, and where was the demand come from? Is it different materials, or who's really driven that change and improvement?
So the improvement is the physics itself. So we create a completely new machine bed, we create new guidelines, and we did it in a way that combine that possibility to handle the speed level and the precision with linear skates that we put in standard, with partners we are working now with. In that case, yes, it was possible to handle.
And you're making subtle improvements, so the working area is larger than the machine previously as well.
Exactly, so a very good point here. We raised up by 30% the working area here. We raised as well up the set stroke by 20%.
Okay.
That means we can handle parts by 500 millimeters itself, and we can work on top of the part.
Ah, okay. So you can be milling on the top of the component that's 500 millimeters in height.
Enough space for a tool. Actually, what is changed between the first to the second generation is sure the speed level. Now we are working with double time in acceleration.
Oh, wow.
We have a bigger B bearing, so we can handle 400 kilo on the top of the table by double time of the acceleration.
Oh, wow.
That is the clue here. We have 4.5 bars in coolant flushing. We have separated pumps in the machine that taking care to bring up the chips from our system. So very important point here when we are working with automation is the chip conveyor. When you have a chip conveyor, that is not possible to bring out all chips, then your process will stuck, right? So we have a chip conveyor option. When we look at that conveyor, then we have in that area a drum, and that drum takes care of everything that is floating up. So floating chips will suck to the drum and bring out by themselves. Everything that is falling down by coolant will bring out by the chain. It's a new system we created especially for automation.
Yeah, I was going to say to that, because that means you can do your lights out running. That's why you can leave this machine running through the evening. It's almost like you're future-proofing it for automation, aren't you?
Exactly.
Let's talk about the control system as well, because that's something quite unique too.
So that is a very cool point here. We have Heidenhain TNC7, we have Siemens Numeric 1, and we have FANUC control. That is a possibility we can handle. You can order by that solution you need.
And then we're talking about automation. So let's go around here, because the one thing I've really noticed is you can have up to 40 pallets, and of course you can have multi-pallet work holding as well. But the visibility on your automation system is massive. That's a huge benefit for the user.
Absolutely. So what we did here, that is the multi-layer AWC. Multi-layer AWC means we have every time 4 layers in our system. We have in that solution 28 pallets itself. That means we have 400 millimeters times 400. That is the pallet size. But that is possible as well to handle that automation by different solution. When you want 500 times 500 millimeter pallets, then you can create your solution by your own.
And who's going to really benefit? And what are they putting on this machine?
We have a spindle. It's a built-in spindle, very special with 230 newton-meters torque. With that spindle, you are possible to handle different tools and different materials. So everything today is flexibility. Today aluminium, tomorrow alloy steel. With that solution, everything is possible.
So you're basically saying the DVF 5000 built for flexible machining with automation and perfect for a machinist in this day and age.
Absolutely, that's it.
Thank you.